Hill's Oral Surgery. Si Kuya. Kumakaway pa baby boy ko.
Hello! I love you! Yes! My teeth!
What is that thing?
I'm gonna put this in your wallet.
Huh?
Deal?
Oh yeah.
Yung bag mo, may.
How are you feeling?
Awesome!
Awesome. Awesome, mahal. Anak, you're bleeding.
Wow!
Oh.
That's wild!
Relax ka lang.
Wow! That was fast!
Fast?
Yes, ma'am!
Did I put you to sleep?
It was the best thing I've ever got! No kid! Can I eat spaghetti? I'm hungry!
Yeah.
Doc said I can eat spaghetti!
Oh, you can eat spaghetti. Okay, I will cook spaghetti for you.
I'm so damn hungry now!
Don't say bad words, baby.
I'm sorry!
Totoo pala yung sana nakikita ko sa amin. Tawa ng tawa.
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
No! I'm happy!
You're happy, that's good. I'm happy when you're happy. Baby, natatanggal na yung gauze sa mouth mo. Oh. Put it back. Bite it back. Bite on it. Oh.
I'm sorry.
Is it bleeding?
I'm crazy. No.
Okay, maybe you should stop talking muna for now, anak.
Okay.
Let it rest.
Look at this.
Ay, yung ngipin mo?
Look at
They
this.
gave you their... give me your teeth. Baka matapon, anak. Okay, ito yung wisdom. Oh no. Oo, ano na? Go back na. Hindi ka na makabalik. Okay na, okay. Oh, yung sombrero niya. Favorite sombrero niya. Hindi makalimutan yung sombrero niya. Go Navy, go.
Navy.
Navy. Oh, bite on the gauze. Bite on it.
I taste fucking funny.
Different
Okay.
level daw. Sabi naman.
It's better than crying. At least she's happy. I love you. Agad ako pagkakita sa akin. I love you, ma.
Sigaw si daddy.
Ano sabi sa'yo? Ano sabi
Hindi ko
sa'yo?
maintindihan kasi.
Baka nag-I love you sa'yo.
Oo.
Did you say I love you to your dad?
I'm sorry.
Are you happy to see us, anak?
Yeah. How long will it take?
Dahil kami doon.
How long? It's not so long.
Huwag ka magpagsalita mo na.
Oh, stop talking daw, sabi ni daddy.
Doon sa house. Para magano yung ano niya.
Oh, sige.
Mag-relax.
Oh, ay.
You can eat ramen. Pwede naman daw ramen.
You want ramen? Ramen.
I love you.
Oh, you love ramen. I know. What are you doing?
Relax lang, relax.
Swallow something.
You swallowed something?
Ano pala yun?
Ba't din ang suot niya ngayon? Naka-green at saka blue. Ba't pinagbihis ko
Sa
pala?
akin, hindi na wala namang reaction sa akin.
Makaway.
Ha?
Makaway siya sa bihis.
Saan lang sa akin?
Are you sleepy?
I'm cold. I'm so numb.
Your tongue feels numb?
Oh, number.
Yes. Yes, Mama.
It will wear off later, don't worry.
Hours yun, hours.
Do I have to wear this?
If it's bleeding, you have to. Maybe. Do you feel that it's still bleeding?
I don't know.
My nose is bleeding also. My nose is bleeding as well.
Are you happy, Daddy?
Yes, I'm very happy.
Ay, baby ko.
Whoa. That's crazy.
Drink lang muna, baby. You cannot eat muna.
What?
Oo.
You are
Just a
so-
few more hours.
The rest says I can eat spaghetti.
Spaghetti maybe in day 3. Ramen muna for tonight.
Ramen muna.
Yes.
Yes, that's your favorite, no?
Yes, Mama.
You want mommy to make mashed potato for you?
Yes, please. The noodles were nice.
The what?
The noodles was nice.
Wala mo, mabait talaga si Bibo eh. Walang sinasabing bad.
Oh.
Magkakita sa akin, love you, ma.
Oh. Hindi ka muna ng sound.
Oo, ano nangyari sa'yo?
Oh.
Ay, kasi umiikot lasing.
Ah.
Nice music ba?
I'm going home.
Yes, baby.
Almost na, almost.
Yes, babe.
You got a bed that's cleaning. They're so good.
That clinic, you like them
The
all?
bed.
The bed?
Yeah, the best nap I've ever had.
The best nap? Oo nga
Tulog na
eh.
tulog ka kasi.
Sarap na sleep mo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay lang?
Yes, darling.
Ngayon naman talaga anak ko. Mabait naman talaga anak ko. Ano, baby, no?
Yes.
My baby boy is a good boy. My baby boy.
Oh,
Do you feel warm? Do you feel cold?
I feel awesome.
Awesome na pala eh.
So, we have orange jello.
Bakit gusto mo orange jello?
It's delicious.
It's what?
Delicious.
Delicious. Oishine?
Mm.
Have you finished all your homeworks, baby?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, mommy.
Oh, that's good. Good boy.
But I don't like talking animal fries.
What?
Stinky.
What, baby?
I don't like talking animal fries. It's stinky.
Oh, what? Stinky? Yung ginawa nyo yesterday?
Animal fries. I don't like talking them.
Ano ginagawa mo, anak?
I'm home.
We're not yet home. We're here at Walgreens picking up your medicine. Your pain reliever.
Surgery?
Surgery. They took all your wisdom teeth.
Wow.
Whoa.
Where are they?
You gave your andito na, di ba? Binigay mo sa akin.
I did?
You did. It's in here. We're keeping it. All 4 wisdom teeth are in here. No more wisdom teeth for my baby.
So, where's Stu?
I don't know. You're the nurse. You tell me. I don't understand, baby. You cannot explain? It's okay.
I can feel my tongue.
You can feel your tongue?
I can.
Nagbi-bleed pa ba yung ano mo, yung ngipin? You can take that off if it's no longer bleeding. Is it still
I see something else.
something else? Maybe that's blood.
Oh, I should not take all of it then.
Okay. Maybe you should stop talking.
Sorry.
At binigyan siya ng care pack. Kasama dito yung post-operative instructions. Merong syringe na lalagyan ng lukewarm salt water para i-gargle nyo or pang-linis nyo dun sa yung sugat. And then, eto gauze yata to. Meron ding gauze na parang i-bite on niya in case na mag-bleed. And then, the receipt. And then, ito yung lalagay niya kapag nag-swell. Lalagay natin to sa freezer and ilalagay sa ulo niya yan when it's kapag nag-swell. Yan, ganito oh. Gaganon niya. Gaganon niya. Oo. So, you tell me kapag masakit ha. And then, ito yung kanyang resibo. Total ay 1,000 pala. 1,980. Ay, hindi kasi binayaran namin yung... Ang total charges ay $2,544. Binayaran namin today ay $564. Account balance $1,980 na i-cover ng insurance. Okay, so yan yun. Milik na. Agad.
Out natin. Mama, drink ka mamaya ng ano, Gatorade dito.
Wala, upo. Binabantayan ka ni Jill, oh. Okay ka na, B-boy?
Opo.